Children, today let us learn about subject and predicate. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. In a sentence, the person or thing that performs the action is called the subject. The rest of the sentence tells us what the subject does. That part is called the predicate. To identify the subject, we ask who or what to the verb. Example, Meena baked a cake. In this sentence, Meena is performing the action. So, Meena is a subject here. Example 2, Geeta and Ganesha went to Kolkata. The subject tells us whom or what the sentence is about. It can be a word or group of words. The predicate says something about a subject or the action performed by it in the sentence. Now, circle the subject and underline the predicate in these sentences. Question number 1. The naughty child broke the vase. Question 2. The gaggle of geese flew across in the sky. Question 3. I study in a boarding school. Question 4. My cousin participated in drawing competition. Question 5. Ravi and Rohit are good friends. Question 6. Raj is playing chess with his friends. Question 7. The dolphin jumped out of water. Question 8. The wizard took out his wand to fight the monster. Let us now find the answers to the questions that I gave you yesterday on the topic subject and predicate. Question number 1. The naughty child broke the vase. In this sentence, the subject is the naughty child and the predicate is broke the vase. Question 2. A gaggle of geese flew across in the sky. In this sentence, a gaggle of geese is subject, flew across the sky is predicate. Question 3. I study in a boarding school. Here, I is subject, study in a boarding school is predicate. Question 4. My cousin participated in a drawing competition. In this sentence, my cousin is subject and participated in a drawing competition is predicate. Question number 5. Ravi and Rohit are good friends. Here, Ravi and Rohit are subject, are good friends is predicate. Number 6. Raj is playing chess with his friends. Here, Raj is a subject, is playing chess with his friends is predicate. Number 7. The dolphin jumped out of the water. Here, the dolphin is subject and jumped out of the water is predicate. The last question, number 8. The wizard took out his wand to fight the monster. In this sentence, the wizard is subject and took out his wand to fight the monster is predicate. Now, look at the note given here. In imperative sentences, the subject is always you. However, the subject is understood rather than expressed. For example, drop the gun. Here, the subject you has been dropped. Whereas, in exclamatory sentences, the subject can be placed towards the end. For example, what a wonderful person you are. In interrogative sentences too, the subject does not come at the beginning. For example, do you believe him? Here we see that the subject you comes between the helping verb and the main verb. Let us now identify the subject in these given sentences. Question number 1. The little princess walked to the door. In this sentence, the little princess is the subject, walked to the door is predicate. Question number 2. Study seriously. As I have told you already in the note, this sentence is an imperative sentence, so here the subject is you. Question number 3. The young painter is very talented. Here the young painter is the subject, is very talented is the predicate. Question number 4. Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. In this sentence, Judy and her dog is the subject, run on the beach every morning is the predicate. Question number 5. Obey your master. This is also an imperative sentence. Here too the subject is you. Question number 6. The guilty should be punished. Here the subject is the guilty, should be punished is the predicate. Question number 7. Down fell the apples from the tree. In this sentence, the subject is the apples. Question number 8. Do you take me for an idiot? It's a question, so here the subject is you. Number 9. The scientist was always absorbed in his work. Here too the subject is the scientist, was always absorbed in his work is a predicate. Question number 10. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. In this sentence, the quick brown fox is the subject, jumped over the lazy dog is the predicate. Now, identify the subjects in these sentences. Number 1. Come in. Number 2. Go to your room. Number 3. What a mess you have made. Number 4. How beautiful the rose is. Number 5. Go away. Number 6. Do you like vanilla ice cream? Number 7. Mung lost his new watch. Number 8. Did Sunita come on time?